everyone, today I will be teaching you how to make eggless babka bread. Now what is babka bread? Babka is a Jewish bread which is super soft and can be filled with cinnamon and sugar, otherwise with chocolate. I will be doing chocolate this time, so let's get started. So to make this chocolate babka bread, we need 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Next, in a bowl, you need to add 20 grams of caster sugar. After that, add 4 grams of salt. Now I will add 2 grams of bread improver and then 2 grams of gluten. After that, we have to add 15 grams of butter, that is at room temperature. So I've added 15 grams of butter. Now I will add 100 ml of room temperature water. After that, we will knead all of this together. As you can see, the dough is very dry right now. So what we will do is add 40 ml of room temperature milk. Not cold nor hot, it should be room temperature. Next we have to add yeast for the dough to rise. So in total I will be adding 8 grams of yeast, and this is instant yeast. After weighing the yeast, it's time to mix it with the dough. You know you've made a good dough if the dough bounces back. As you can see, it bounces back and the fingerprints are rarely visible. Now we have to let it rest for 15 minutes. Do watch the video till the end, as I'm sure you would love to make this amazing chocolate bread. So I will just remove the cling wrap, and after that what we have to do is just press it down. And we have to start kneading it gently with our hands. So I will just sprinkle some flour on the surface. After that we will put our dough and again sprinkle some flour on top. What we have to do next is roll out the dough. We have to roll it out into a rectangle shape. We have to stick the dough to the surface so that the dough doesn't move while we fill it with the chocolate. Here I am using Nutella spread as it gives a really good flavor to the bread. You can use any type of chocolate spread, or you can also use chocolate ganache. So we will start folding from the side so that the chocolate doesn't ooze out, and then the other side. Right now I'm just pinching the corner so that the chocolate doesn't ooze out, and now we will start rolling the dough, and please do this gently, not roughly. Take your time. After rolling the dough, we will just stick the dough and seal it together. Also we will seal it from the sides. So here comes the tricky part for making the braid for the babka bread. So first I will just make a line. So we will cut the babka bread in half to make the braid. You can even see the layers in the babka bread. Now I will start making the braid. Please be very gentle and don't be too messy as the chocolate will spread. Also you can see how tempting it looks. Then from the other side show the chocolate as well. Now I will just transfer it into a greased mold. You might be thinking that the dough is so small, but don't worry, we have to let this proof for 30 to 40 minutes and then it will be perfectly fine. Do subscribe to my channel and encourage me more to continue. As you can see, the dough has risen so well. Now this will go in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So the babka bread is ready and look how good it looks. So I will just see how fluffy it is. Wow, it is so soft as you can see, and it's super fluffy. So of course, do try this recipe.